Yo, 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 let's go. Ole, 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 ole. Ongila ciao, ongila ciao. Ole, 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 ole. Ongila ciao, ongila ciao. Let's sing, man. Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back, all Meghalay and the Khasi people. Congrats once again. Congrats HA U PRAH. Congrats VPP, and congrats to whoever choose the Voice of People party, because I'm pretty sure all who decide to do that, they are so happy, guys. And congrats to the greatest leader by the name Dr. Ricky and the president of VPP, Ardent, right? So congrats for making the Meghalayan people so happy. I want to know who is happy. Who is happy watching this, guys? Let me know down. Comment HA U PRAH, VPP. Yes, we are happy. You are happy, guys. So I'm reacting to this music video because as in my previous video, guys, in my previous reaction, I already predicted that HA U PRAH will win, guys. You know why? Because I reacted to that song and I got a lot of love, a lot of comment, and a lot of subscribers. Like, I came to know that the people, the citizens themselves, they love this party. This is the party they choose. So today, let's celebrate their winning. There is a winning song for VPP, winning MP song, full hit, guys, by MONMi feat Johnny, guys. Kindly subscribe, all HA U PRAH fans, all Meghalayan fans who are happy for the new party, guys. Kindly subscribe. It will be shameful if you're supporting HA U PRAH and you're not subscribing to this channel. I'm also supporting, but I'm not from Meghalaya, guys. But I love you all. Peace from Africa. Let's do it. Yo, 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 let's go. Ole, 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 ole. Ongila ciao, ongila ciao. Ole, 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 ole. Ongila ciao, ongila ciao. Let's sing, man. Yo, yo. From the day I saw HA U PRAH, I know HA U PRAH is going to win. No one will stop. Yes, ale, ale, ale. Let's say ale. HA U PRAH na marca jockey. Publishi bonga. HA U PRAH, you are the best. No. Publishi bon HA U PRAH. Publishi bon. We know you are the best. VPP la way man sin jonga. Yo, Publishi bon HA U PRAH. VPP la way. Yo. Hey, don't fall down, man. Let's see. Guys, I don't know Khasi, but I'm trying my best to sing for you, okay? Let's sing it. There is no subtitle, but I can sing Khasi now. I can understand and I can tell you. VPP won. This is a winning song. This is a big win for all Meghalayan, guys. Nepaya. Yes, let's wait, guys. We are so waiting for VPP. Oh, Publishi bon. Hey papa, hey mom, hey dad, let's dance. VP. Ole, ole, ole. Ongila ciao, ongila ciao. Ole, 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 ole. Ongila ciao, ongila ciao. Congrats, Meghalayan, congrats VPP, congrats HA U PRAH, guys. Yeah, Our PRAH is very useful. You have to know that, guys. The meaning of our PRAH also, like I came to know that it is that thing they use for clearing the rice or flour. In Africa, we do have in every single home, guys. But for now, people start using the modern one. But still, it is there, guys, because our grandparents love to use it, even though there is the modern one. But they love it, guys, because it's so easy to use, and also it doesn't require any power, electricity, or power form, and it is just something natural and beautiful, guys. And our PRAH we use, I have in my local home, guys. Like, honestly, we have our PRAH in Africa. And congrats once again to VPP for making the great change. And I'm just wishing everything should go well. And as the citizen decide to choose you, this party, I hope they should work for the people, because they choose it and they say this is the voice of people party. So I hope everything will work according to the voice of the people themselves, guys, because they are the one who choose that. And I'm pretty sure they are going to make it successfully, because I listen a lot to the leaders of Meghalaya, especially the president of VPP, that guy Ardent. Yes, guys. I used to think he's the contestant, and before I used to think like he's the one going to be the chief. But anyway, he's the president of VPP, so for sure he's part of the party, guys. And I just love his personality, guys. This guy is really great, man. The way he speak, the way he address people, like I really see from the way you speak, I'm seeing a big change going to happen in Meghalaya. So may God bless you all, guys. And I know you all citizens choose what you want, and for sure God will make it happen. Thank you, love from Africa. Kindly subscribe, guys. Subscribe to my channel. I love you all the VPP fan. Kindly subscribe, yeah. Good play.